hailstorm.
A hailstone from a hailstorm is made by rainwater that freezes and becomes ice. This happens when the rainwater goes up in the sky by a thunderstorm, and the thunderstorm takes the rainwater to a higher place in the sky that's colder. So the rainwater freezes and becomes ice. It's kind of like taking water from the refrigerator and putting it in the freezer.
A hailstorm.
Hailstones fall from the sky so quickly, they often don't get time to melt before hitting the ground, even when it's warm during the summer.
A hailstorm?
During a thunderstorm, the kind of cloud that makes the hail inside of it is called a cumulonimbus cloud.
A hailstorm?
Eventually, the hailstones become so heavy that they can't rise up any higher inside the cumulonimbus cloud, so they fall to the ground.
A hailstorm?
A cumulonimbus cloud is a cloud that is dark on the bottom, is very tall, and often takes the shape of a mountain or a huge, tall tower. It's the kind of cloud that makes a thunderstorm, and that's what's needed for a hailstorm.
A hailstorm.
When hailstones fall from the sky, sometimes they're the size of golf balls. I'm not sure I believe that. Oh!
I guess he believes it now.
I'll say.
Oh, my head. Oh.
So, those are 6 facts about a hailstorm. Has anyone seen the golf balls that I spilled and lost from this bucket?